Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Right, I got a new toy. So I got reached out by Ruko. And I've just got it, just been delivered today to work. That's why I'm still in work clothes. It's dinner time, and I couldn't wait to get it out to play with it. So what we got? I think you can tell, comes in a lovely box. I've already opened it, I've charged it. So, we got a drone. Yes. So, this is what you get in the box. So you get 2 batteries. And you get the full control unit. And you get a big drone. I've been watching YouTubes on these. As you know, guys, this isn't a how-to video or anything like that. It's just an unboxing video. I do have a 30% discount code as well. Just TON, ton. I'll put the details in the video. They'll probably pop on the screen and also in the description. But yeah, I'll show you what I've got. My dogs are going crazy. Dogs think there's food. Look, what you got? So let's see if I can do this with one hand. So they're quite stiff, so that's good. So I used to have a DJI Mini. So I've had to get this one. I've just started the process to get this registered because it's a big one. So, as you know, because it's not a toy, it's overweight, 256 grams, I need to register. So, let me come back with the one hand. Hey, there we go. Now, the features on it are cracking. There we go, done it, one hand. So, you have a button on the top, so you have a big battery. They're a lot bigger. They're like double, triple size. So it goes in there. Like I say, it comes with a second battery. These do like exactly the same as a DJI, so they go in the bottom, but actually the carrier case actually fits with them in, so that's a bonus. You do get spare blades. There's a load of things in here. What else do we get? We got the spare blades, so that's a bonus. I have actually seen a video where they cut all the blades off and it still flew. That'd be interesting. So yeah, there's just cables, manuals and stuff in there. So there you go. It's got a 4K gimbal camera. If I can do it. It's always not the best to do it with one hand. Let me take that off. Go, we're back again. So, then you can see that. It's full HD, Wi-Fi cam, and it's 4K. There's your slot for your up to a 128 gig card. But yeah, it's a nice bit of weight. So I'm going to get some new little toys for it. I need a mat for it to land on. But yeah, everything's nicely charged. It feels great. It's exactly the same as you got a nice thing there, display, and it gives you lots of readings. I've downloaded the code, the app for it. App looks really good. But yeah, it's almost identical. They are to, you get your buttons on the top. You've got your gimbal buttons and stuff on there. So, camera shot, video, on and off. Everything you need. I think it has some sort of GPS. There's a GPS setting and an what does it read? Altitude setting. So, first thing I've got to do in the video, it says check your blades, so I'll be doing that. But yeah, so that's it. It comes with a lovely case. and I think the link, it keeps changing, was down to sort of $300 and something, but then there's 30% off that as well, so bargain. And I've actually seen this fly, and to be honest, I can't see any difference between this and a DJI. You maybe get a bit more better quality in a few of the electrics maybe, but as we all know nowadays, these, you know, they're all built in the same factories, most of these now. Apparently the people who make this have got a good reputation. If you go on YouTube and if you go to the website, their actual Facebook, there you go, there's an after sales card you get. But yeah, if you go onto YouTube, type in Ruko drones, there's loads. Absolutely loads. So this is the F11GIM2 as well. So I know they did do different control units. I don't know if this is the newer one or the old one. I'm not sure. But I'll give you the, when I can get it out. Never any good with one hand. I need a tripod. So this is the one I've got. F11GIM2. And comes with all your starting menus and user manuals, which we don't use them, do we? So I've just been using YouTube and watching it, and yeah, it's brilliant. It's got like all the same sort of features. I mean, it's gonna, you know, that's just your little cover from there. But yeah, we're gonna get that out, aren't we? I'm gonna do some filming. We are. So can't wait. So yeah, that's just a quick little unboxing video. Like I say, I'll put the cards, the little notifications for the, you can go and have a look on the links. I'll probably put the website in the description as well. As you know, I don't review them. I haven't even tried this yet. So I'm going to spend the next week. I'm just ordered a SIM card, and I'm going to get this registered. But I might be able to have a little play just on the industrial estate here, just at a low range. I'll just fly it over the top of my truck just for now. But yeah, I need the SD card, which I haven't got, unfortunately. It's a shame. I could have saved some videos, but yeah, we're going to see what quality it is. But cracking bit of kit. Like I say, it feels really weighty. To be honest, compared to my DJI, this feels more solid. It feels more real heavy. I mean, the batteries are like, yeah, nice and meat, and massive flying distance, and it's got a good wind resistance, because that was what I was always terrified of with my other one. With my DJI Mini, if you're a Mini owner, you'll know in the winds they're not the best. You know, I had troubles with just a bit of wind, and it'll be buffering it around. I was always petrified of it going flying. What we got here? So yeah, so I'm gonna have fun with this one. Now, the beauty of this kit is when I get to Bulgaria, this is going to be used for flying around the houses and stuff. Hang on, just going to stop a minute. That's better. Cleaner. Clean the lens. It was disgusting. So yeah, so I'm going to be doing flying over houses, checking the roofs for houses I'm looking to buy, and also possibly for resale as well. So it'll be handy, and it'll just give me a better, you know, visual of when I'm flying over villages and stuff like that, just to give it a bit more of an idea what I'm looking at and what's close to near the house. So yeah, I'm going to get some amazing scenery shots, I hope. And I don't think I'd be as scared to fly this, because obviously this was sent free. I won't feel as bad because I know my other one, I admit I was scared in winds and stuff that it was going to go. I can even remember doing my video, the opening one, credits, and when we filmed that with my mate's drone, which was a few £1,000, it was a big one, it went straight into a tree. So don't matter how much you spend, they can soon go. And I've seen a lot of the big DJIs, especially these, the Mavericks. In Spain there's a big canyon, I can't remember what it is, but there's a town on top, and I know a few YouTubers have lost them down there. They've flown down under the bridge, and for some reason the wind or something has just thrown them against the side of the wall, straight down to the river of death at the bottom. So yeah, a nice sort of cheap drone this is going to be, so I won't feel too bad if it, you know, being a bit cocky. So it is nice little kit. Like I say, it's got all nice digital display. It's got all sorts of buttons here. There's like I think it was like a stop button when I press it or something, and it comes back down automatically for you. You've got camera, you've got speed settings on here, video settings, and I think that was the GPS. You've got on and off there. Like I say, you've got all your normal sort of gimbal ones on the side, and I don't think they do anything. I think that's just more for you, comfy for your finger. So we'll get out and I'll get some try and get some footage for you now. Well, we hope so. It's a bit rubbish out there, I don't know if you can see, but it's chucking it down, so we'll wait a little bit.